Very good morning and namaskar to my wonderful children of grade 7. I hope you all are fit and fine and studying properly at home. Are you? Very good. So in this video we will be continuing the same chapter which we have understood in our previous video, that is inside our earth.
So my dear children, the first thing I want to tell you that there is always a constant change that is going inside our earth.
About the layers of the earth. So we have three layers inside our earth, that is crust, mantle and core. Let's revise them. The topmost layer of the earth is called crust. Crust is divided into two parts, that is continental crust and oceanic crust. Let's understand about the continental crust first. Continental crust is about 35 kilometers thick and it is made up of two minerals or composed up by two minerals, that is silica and alumina, and that is why it is called Sial. And the next crust is oceanic crust and it is of 5 kilometers thick and it is also made up of two minerals, that is silica and magnesium, that is why it is called Sima. The next layer of the earth is called mantle and it is below the earth's crust and it is around 2900 kilometers deep, and you know it is the thickest layer of the earth and it is made up of viscous material. Now the last layer I want to discuss with you, or we will revise today, is core, that is the innermost layer of the earth and it is also made up of two components, that is nickel and iron, and that is why it is called knife, because ferrous is the other name of iron. So let's understand this chapter further. और अब हम पढ़ेंगे about the different type of rocks and minerals.
My dear children, you know Earth's crust is formed with various types of rocks. If I'll ask you, what do you understand by rock? So you can answer me in this way, that rocks are natural mass of mineral matter. Repeat after me. Rocks are the natural mass of mineral matters. Okay? Which means जो मिट्टी है या रॉक है वो एक नेचुरल सब्सटेंस है और उसमें अलग अलग तरह के कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, as we have learnt in our previous video. And you know rocks can be different color and texture. Now the next topic I want to discuss with you is types of rock. So dear children, there are three major types of rocks, which are igneous, सेडिमेंट्री एंड मेटामॉर्फिक. जैसा कि इस स्लाइड में आपने देखा है कि तीनों रॉक्स का कलर डिफरेंट है और व्हेन यू टच देम सो यू वुड फील दैट इनका टेक्सचर भी एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल अलग होता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल अंडरस्टैंड एंड लर्न अबाउट द इग्नियस रॉक. So dear children, first of all we will learn about the meaning of igneous. What is the word igneous means? Beta, igneous is a word which means fire and it derived from the Latin word ignis. So now let's understand how igneous rocks formed. Igneous rock is a result of volcanic activity, as you can see in this picture. When the molten magma which is flowing out from a volcano walls become solid, तो वो जो solid substance होता है ना, जो molten magma के cools down होने से बनता है, that solid substance is known as igneous rock. Okay, and you know igneous rock is also called as primary rock. igneous rock को और क्या बोलते हैं? Primary rock. Now the most important factor that needs to understand that igneous rock can be of two types. Igneous rocks can be of how many types? Very good. It's of two types. The first type of igneous rock is intrusive and the second type of igneous rock is extrusive igneous rocks. Okay? As the name suggested, intrusive means they cools down inside the earth's surface. So basically not visible on the earth's crust, they cool very slowly and form larger particle size. And the common example of intrusive rock is granite, which is found inside the earth's क्रस्ट. तो हमारी जो इग्नियस रॉक होती है उसके दो पार्ट्स हैं. फर्स्ट इज इंट्रूसिव और उसमें जो है मैग्मा अर्थ सरफेस के अर्थ क्रस्ट के नीचे कूल्स डाउन होता है. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज एक्सट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक. डियर चिल्ड्रन, व्हेन द molten magma coming out from the interior on the earth surface, it cools down rapidly. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी से वो कूल्स डाउन होता है और वेरी फास्ट एंड बिकम सॉलिड रॉक. Rocks forms in such way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rock, and you know they have a very fine granite structure. और इसका एक example है basalt, and you know Deccan Plateau जो है that is made up of basalt rocks only. So let's revise about the igneous rock. So igneous rock is a result of what? Tell me. Right, it's a result of volcanic activity, and it is of how many types? Yes, 2 types. Tell me the types. It's intrusive and extrusive. Very good. So when the molten magma cools down inside the earth crust, it's formed intrusive igneous rock, and when the molten magma comes out on the earth's surface and here it cools down rapidly, it formed extrusive igneous rock. So I hope you all have understood about the igneous rock. Now the next rock is pretty interesting and is called sedimentary rock. So the word sedimentary is also comes from the Latin word sedimentum, which means settle down. Now let's understand how sedimentary rocks form. Rocks roll down, they crack, टूट जाते हैं and hit each other and broken down into small fragments. And these smaller particles are called sediments. सो ये डियर चिल्ड्रन ये प्रोसेस 1 या 2 साल का नहीं होता है बेटा. बड़ी रॉक्स को छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स में कन्वर्ट होने पे हंड्रेड्स थाउजेंड्स ईयर लग जाते हैं और इन्हीं स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स को हम सेडिमेंट्स बोलते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? यू नो व्हेन दीज सेडिमेंट्स आर ट्रांसपोर्टेड एंड डिपोजिटेड बाय द विंड और वाटर, मींस नदी के पानी में बहकर या हवा के साथ उड़कर, ये लूज पार्टिकल्स जब कंप्रेस्ड और हार्डन होते हैं तो ये लेयर्स ऑफ रॉक बनाते हैं. And these type of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. You know, sandstone is a common sedimentary rock. And in India, I'll give you one example. Red Fort is also made up of red sandstone. And you know, these rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Now my dear children, let's understand the next type of rock, and that is metamorphic rock. Now when the both igneous and sedimentary rock comes under the high heat and temperature and also compressed over a longer period, it could result into मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक. वेरी गुड. सो अगर हम सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझें तो मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक इज फॉर्म व्हेन द इग्नियस और सेडिमेंट्री रॉक कम्स अंडर द हाई हीट एंड प्रेशर में आते हैं तो वो मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक के रूप में अपना रूप बदल जाते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? एंड आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट एज वेल. As clay being converted into slate and limestone is being converted into marble. So here slate and marble are the examples of metamorphic rock. So now let's understand the next topic, that is rock cycle. So let's understand it in this way. The volcano erupts, and when the molten magma cools down, it solidifies to become मॉल्टन मैग्मा से क्या बनता है, कौन सी रॉक बनती है जब वो कूल्स डाउन होता है? तो very good, igneous rock. And these igneous rocks are broken down into small particles, which is called sediments. And when these sediments transported and deposited to form which rock? In sediment से कौन सी rock बनती है? Very good, sedimentary rock. And when the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. And which metamorphic rocks are still under great heat and pressure. और इसी pressure और heat की वजह से metamorphic rocks जो हैं, they melts down and form molten magma, and this molten magma again can cools down and solidify into igneous rock. So इसी तरह से ये हमारा rock cycle चलता रहता है. So now let's talk about the minerals. So my dear children, सबसे पहले हम ये समझेंगे कि what is the meaning of minerals. So minerals are naturally occurring substance which number 1 have certain physical properties and number 2 definite chemical composition, which means मिनरल की एक सर्टन फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी होती है और एक डेफिनेट केमिकल कंपोजिशन से मिनरल्स बने होते हैं. यू नो मिनरल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ह्यूमन काइंड. कुछ मिनरल्स को हम फ्यूल की तरह यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कोल, नेचुरल गैस और पेट्रोलियम एक्सेट्रा. एंड फ्यू आर यूज्ड इन इंडस्ट्रीज एज वेल लाइक आयरन, aluminium, etc.
Dear children, I hope you all have understood this chapter very well. So complete your PDF file, read the chapter one more time, and till then, bye bye.